Hello UI UX enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be learning how to create an amazing endless scroll animation in Figma. The process is simple and easy, especially for beginners. Let's open up Figma and get started. Create a rectangle with a height of 430 pixels and a width of 320 pixels. Duplicate the rectangle and make 7 copies of it. You can also create 5 or 6 copies, depending on your design preference. Add images of your choice to the rectangle cards. I'm using the Unsplash plugin to add images. It's a very convenient plugin for adding random images all at once. I'm adding random images related to art. Great! Our images are ready, and they look fantastic. Let's move on to the next step. Create a copy of these cards and group them together. Create a frame and add the grouped cards into it. Adjust the frame to match the height of the cards for a perfect fit. Move the first card halfway to the left side. Open the ruler and mark the position where the first card ends. Make a copy of the frame and adjust the new card so that it aligns exactly with the position of the first card. By doing this, we can create a seamless loop for the slider. The cards are all set. Let's move on to the prototype. For the first one, set the option to after delay. Set the delay to 1 millisecond. Choose Smart Animate. Use linear for the easing and set the duration to 10,000 milliseconds. For the second one, set the option to after delay with a delay of 1 millisecond and choose the instant option for the transition. We're done with the prototype. Let's create a component set for these two. You can also create the component set before prototyping. It won't affect the results. Here is our instance component. Let's place it in the Hero section and complete the look we want to create. I'm adding 2 very large oval shapes in the background color to create a cinematic look. You can follow along with me or skip this process if you prefer. I'm enhancing the look of the Hero section to present our endless scroll effect. I'm adding an overlay to the images to give them a saturated look and match the theme colors. We just need to add the nav bar, title, and CTA button. Adjust them slightly to fit the design perfectly. And we're done. Let's check out the results. Here are our final results. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.